Hey everybody, Dee here. Welcome to today's masterclass. Another walk through some fabulous video software. Some people will tell you video is difficult. I beg to disagree. If you think it's hard, it's just because you haven't found the software to make it easy yet. And today I'm going to make you look, well actually this software is going to make you look like an absolute video pro. And it's called Promo.com, as you can see up here, Promo.com. #1 marketing video maker. I've kept this a pretty well kept secret in all fairness for quite a while. I've used it for my own business to try and make me look fabulous, but now it's time to share it. You can see it's won loads of awards here. It's associated with really big businesses. And basically what it is, it's a video creation software. It has lots of video content already in there and made up video formats and structures for you to use. And it's just really lovely videos for Facebook, for stories on Instagram, that work on your desktop, the whole thing. And what I'm going to do is show you how fabulous this is. Now pricing, let's take a look at pricing first, because there's no free option here, but I'm not surprised because it is really cool. Let's look at, I'm going to switch this to monthly. So the basic is $39 per month. You get unlimited video downloads, use 1 premium clip per month, and there's no promo watermark. Then $89 per month, $319 obviously if you were using a huge amount of video. They have templates in here. Let me show you so all different kinds of the coolest templates. You can preview them. Loads of ready-made templates for you to use. Look at all the templates here: coronavirus, promo videos, video ads, marketing videos, Facebook ads, blah 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 blah. Loads. Let me look at education. Education is where I would go. Look, all this sort of fabulous stuff. But look, let's get stuck in. Let's get stuck in. So I'm going to move back so I can log in back. Oh, here we go. So I'm going to log into my account. Here we go. So I'm in. Now these are videos that I've already created. Let me just show you one of these so I can give you this preview. Turn it up. Turn it up. Yeah, let's go. Todas las mujeres con la mano en el aire. Síguete moviendo y no pare. Vamos a pelear que te gusta y no sabe. Vamos a darle bien duro y suave. Todas las mujeres con la mano en el aire. Síguete moviendo y no pare. See, super easy, quick bite-sized videos. Now, so let's have a look at templates. Now I have the full package here, so I have access to a lot of different stuff. If you're going to go for the more basic package, you may not have access to all of this, but I want to show you some of my favorite stuff. So if you do search for digital marketing, they have some of the coolest videos already made up for you to use. They have all sorts of templates here. So depending on what you want to use it for, obviously. Now this one I really love. I've been looking at this one for quite a while. Let's preview it. See, I love this. Well, like, and they have some really funny ones here, but I'm going to show you. So say I'm going to go with this one, because I think some people in, some of my potential customers often feel like they're behind digital technology, that they're too old or they're too outdated themselves. So I think this is a funny little take on it. Now, obviously, this could be a great one if you were selling marketing to businesses. So let me go back. So all I have to do is I can click on here to change the text. And I could change this, for example, to feel like your digital skills are outdated. Yeah, we could do something like that. Oh, I've changed that. And I'm going to put that in. Done. So feel like your digital skills are outdated if I play this. Change this. Oops, here we go. Let me click here. Get your business back in style. And I'm going to change, what will I change this to? Feel like your digital skills are a bit outdated. It's It's never too late to update, or let me see, to modernize your skills. Let me see what that looks like. And so we'll go to the outro, click here, and I can change this and go D is for digital, makes getting online easy, website, I can put in www.dhutchinson.com. Done. That's my old logo. I wonder, can I change that? I can there we go. D is for digital. You can put your logo in there. See how simple this is? Hold on. I want to click you. And I want to add you to the video. There we go. I can make maybe a little bit smaller. Now, so let me play that again from the start. Let's see. Love it. Now you'll see here there's loads of different formats here on the right hand side. So say for example, let me click on the start of this and I was to use ribbon instead. See the way I could move that, or I can do pop out, short list. Don't really like that. A hard copy. See, there's loads of things that you can play with that really highlights what you're doing. Center stage. See what else we have? Bubble burst. I kind of like that. Slip and slide. Backdrop. Yeah, I like backdrop. Roll out. Quick breeze. See, there are so many. I'm going to go to backdrop. And the same here. Maybe I want to change this up now to, no, that doesn't look too good. We can't see it very well. It's not a quote, but you get what I mean. So let me, I'm going to do, there we go. It's never too late to modernize your skill. And the outro, we could change it to, so it's on simple. Trustpilot, we could do this. We could do, if we want to focus on website, Splitty, classic. And try one more, two-liner. But I'm going to keep it with simple. So let's play that again. There we go. Look how simple that was. Now you can change the music here if you want. They have loads of different music tracks that you can use. But let's say I'm happy with that. That all looks good. So now I'm going to save it. So it pulls it all together for me. See, now how long has that been? Basically a couple of minutes, guys. It's so easy. Preparing for screening. There we go. And that's the preview. But I'm going to go ahead and publish. And I'm going to continue. And it'll give you a different option in sizes depending on where you're publishing your video. Now, I think it was yesterday's masterclass or the day before, I talked about the fact that a lot of people watch video on mobile phone. So you need to make sure that your video is formatted so that you can watch it, because see this vertical version, this will be great for mobile phone. Let me just show you. So, and you'll need to make sure that the video looks good on a vertical version. Okay, hold on. No, I want to go back and I just want to view it. oops, back. So we'll need to create a vertical, oh, that's why it sent me there, because here, this is the version we have now, which will be beautiful if you were looking at it on a desktop or laptop. But because most people will watch this on a phone, we're going to need to create a vertical version. And sometimes that means just making sure it's lined up so it can be easily read. So you see here, I can't see my guy. We'd need to pull him in, and we'd need to bring this down a little bit, or maybe up here. Can we fill it in up here? Let's see what that looks like. We don't want it, I think maybe down here is better, but I might need to change it so it's easier to read. Highlight. So there's a little bit of playing around you need to do. So I'm going to go there. And for this one, I'm going to bring it down here as well, so it's easier to read. So let's look at that. Love it. Perfect. So now I'm going to publish that. And these are important because if you're going to spend time and a little bit of money creating these kind of videos, you want to make sure people can watch them, right? So you don't want to have a beautiful landscape video and then people can't see it properly on their mobile phones. So I'm going to go with my mobile phone option, and you can download full HD. So I'm going to download. My video has been downloaded. Fabulous. I'm going to publish. And here is my video. You get it. You've seen it enough times. See how easy that is? Super, super, super easy. So I'm going to come back and show you again. So all of the different it's the same. Pick a template that you like. Now I'll get lost for hours looking at all of the templates in here. And they have all of the different kind of, I suppose, niches that you might be in if you're recruiting HR, small business, inspirational, motivational. Let's take a look at that. And again, a mixture of videos, like pure video or video that can be used for Facebook, Instagram. There's so much here that can shortcut the whole video process for you, make it super easy. And even though you have all of these formats ready for you, then they have lots of video clips that you can pull in and out and change video clips if you want. And that's promo. Now you look like a video god or goddess, whichever, but try it out. It's fabulous. Now I'm sure maybe you might be even able to get a free trial. I'm already signed up, so I can't see if there's any free trials. There might be a little free trial, so go check it out. And when you've created your videos, share them, please. Share them with me, send them to me, and I can showcase you on one of the next masterclasses. But in the meantime, get making video and have a great day.